Characteristics of research. An older description of research may be explained with the 5 characterizations spelling out the word movie. M stands for mathematical precision and accuracy. O stands for objectivity. V stands for verifiability. I stands for impartiality. E stands for expertness. Tuckman B.W., 1978, has mentioned the following characteristics of research. 1. Research is systematic. 2. Research is logical. 3. Research is empirical. 4. Research is reductive. 5. Research is replicable and transmittable. Main characteristics of scientific research. Educational research shares some of the main characteristics of scientific research, which may be analyzed as under. 1. Research is purposive. It is concerned with problems to be solved. 2. Research is objective. Stress is always on testing. 3. Research endeavors to organize data in quantitative terms. 4. Research is systematic and accurate investigation. 5. Research usually involves a hypothesis or a set of hypotheses concerning the explanation of a phenomenon or the solution of a problem. 6. Research collects facts. 7. Research places emphasis on the discovery of scientific generalizations which can be applied to the solution of a wide range of problems. 8. Research expresses results without being influenced by any extraneous consideration. An examination of the above characteristics of scientific research reveals that educational research cannot always be viewed as strictly scientific, i.e., empirical, inductive, and exact. It is recognized that in educational research it may not be possible to phrase or report many historical, descriptive surveys and case clinical studies in mathematical terms. Similarly, in many cases the criteria of objectivity and verifiability may be only partially satisfied in educational researches. Knowledge gained through scientific method seeks to describe phenomena of nature in a series of condensed and compactly expressed generalizations. Research also does not describe facts alone but seeks to describe their relationship and generality in time and space. The method of research involves the process of complete act of reflective thinking. The verifiability of conclusion is tested in the light of the hypothesis. Specific characteristics of educational research. 1. Educational research must be related to the study of complex relationships of various facts. It requires an interdisciplinary approach. 2. Educational research usually employs methods of description, explanation, interpretation, sympathetic of intuitive understanding methods which are mainly speculative and deductive in character and which rarely furnish results that can be subjected to measurement of mathematical procedures. 3. Educational research should come out of a desire to do things better. It should help them to narrow down the proverbial gap between theory and practice in education. 4. Educational research is not as exact as research in physical science. No human beings have ever been found to be alike. No scientific investigations of human behavior, even those of so-called identical twins, have resulted in the findings of individuals completely similar in structure or behavior. This fact stands in the way of making educational research an exact science. 5. Educational research should be concerned directly with the problems of school. It can properly concern itself with such matters as child development, class organization, teacher-pupil relationships, interaction with the community, curriculum matters, teaching techniques, and many others. 6. Educational research can be undertaken by any teacher with common sense, intelligence, and insight. In the beginning, such workers may require some guidance and training, but this can be made easily available to them at the hands of experts. 7. Educational research stands in need of men and women of imaginative insight, who look beyond the present and behold the vision splendid. 8. Educational research generally requires inexpensive material. In many educational research studies, we simply need subjects, i.e., children, their educational tools of daily use, paper and pencil, and a few tests. 9. Educational research is based on the subjectivity and intangibility of social phenomena. 10. Educational research generally does not admit quantitative statement. We can talk of urbanization, cultural assimilation, etc., but we cannot measure quantitatively. 11. Educational research is based on interdependence of causes and effects. Need of research. The following points will justify the need for educational